Toxic people feed on confusion. But what happens when you stop giving them the map? Silence can be louder than anger, stronger than confrontation, and more revealing than words. They used to predict your reactions. Now every move you make is a mystery. When you master your inner calm, even the stormiest personalities can't touch you. Emotional intelligence isn't just knowing yourself, it's protecting yourself without fighting. Today, I'll show you 7 quiet signs that make toxic people regret ever underestimating you. 1. Calm detachment. You stop reacting to their chaos. You watch, you listen, you remain unshaken. Calmness isn't weakness. It's the silent power that makes them stumble. When they expect fire and receive still water, confusion sets in instantly. Your detachment is a mirror, reflecting their toxicity without absorbing it. The quieter you stay in the storm, the more it unsettles them. 2. Boundaries. Without explanation. You say no without guilt, without over-explaining, without fear. Boundaries aren't just rules, they're invisible shields that protect your energy. When toxic people push, you don't argue. You simply don't engage. They can't manipulate what they can't reach. Your silence after a boundary is louder than any argument you could make. 3. Consistent emotional balance. They thrived on your emotional swings. Now you've found equilibrium. Your moods are no longer their playground. When calm meets chaos, they lose the game they thought they were winning. Emotional consistency is a quiet rebellion, a proof of your strength. They realize suddenly their tricks no longer provoke the expected storm. 4. Selective engagement. You don't respond to every message, comment, or provocation anymore. Selective engagement teaches them that you are not their puppet. You choose conversations that nourish you, not drain you. Your absence becomes a presence they can't control. They start questioning themselves. Why is this person untouchable? 5. Self-priority. You stopped bending over backward to please the ungrateful. Your energy belongs to you, first and foremost. When you put yourself first, toxic people can't find leverage. Their attempts to guilt or shame you fall flat against self-respect. You've discovered the quiet joy of choosing yourself over chaos. 6. Observant listening. You listen more than you speak and observe more than you react. Every word they say becomes a data point, not a trigger. Your silence turns into insight. Their manipulations reveal themselves. They can't read you because you've learned to read them instead. Awareness is your quiet weapon. Understanding is your shield. 7. Controlled expression. You choose your words carefully, never impulsively. What they can't predict, they can't manipulate. Your calm voice carries more weight than their shouting ever could. They realize power isn't loud. It's deliberate, quiet, and untouchable. Every measured word leaves them wondering what's beneath the surface. If these signs resonated with you, imagine the peace you can create by practicing them daily. Calm is contagious, and your energy shapes the room. Dear viewers, if you like this video, do share them with your friends and family and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.